Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first you have to open your phone dialer, and if you wish to block some particular contact, smoothly marker, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Then confirm that you wish to block, in my case Timmy, and as you can see it is blocked. Then whenever you wish to remove this blockade, tap on more icon and select unblock numbers, tap on unblock, and that's it. And then whenever you wish to set some general rules, just tap on more icon here, go to settings and go to block numbers. And as you can see here, you can block all unknown colors, and also you can add some number manually by yourself. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.